This is the part 4 of these videos that I'm doing on the 6 minutes in intervals. Sorry, I'm used to meters in construction. So this is a 6.50 seconds video. The last one is speaking specifically to clients buying on materials. We have seen that both in untreated and in treated, the best solution now is clients must buy their own materials and we charge you the labor. So on untreated and treated, we will charge you the labor. It's simple concept. We give you the list of the materials for 3x3. You buy on your own. So where I'm saying 24,000, there on that 3x3, which is untreated, the material should be around 15,000. The labor then should follow to be around 12,000, something like that. It makes sense. It should be at least half to half. So if it's 24,000, I can save material 15, then 9,000 the labor. I think it's very fair. It's a one-day's job. Who works for 9,000 in terms of supplying and fixing? I'm giving options that can work because we need to build alternative housing for people out there. So you buy your own materials. But if you trust us with your 24,000 and you do say, Michael, do the fix and supply, we'll do it. No problem, no stress, and provide you. But don't then expect 0.47 zinc alum roof sheets. No. You need to be clear. We will be also giving you the 0.3 roof sheets because that's exactly what you can afford. So the labor-based quotations are the way forward. Buy your own materials. If not, opt for this one. That is the untreated timber, where we supply you fix and supply at the lowest prices possible. In terms of the other options that we have discussed, those are internal, where we need to make sure that our workers are paid per rate per hour, because then they can push more hours and eliminate more days, and that also gives us an ability for us to finish your project early, quicker, and still be on the same price that would have given you that is reasonable, unlike paying per day, because then you bring people every day to work, and at times by human nature people tend to think that the more they are on the site, the more money they make, and it works expensive and it becomes detrimental to us as the builders. Those are some of the incentive. Pay per rate per hour. If it's 50 rand per hour times 8 hours, that's 400. If they work 4 extra hours, pay them that 50 times 4. It's some of the things that we think that will be the best way possible. Allocate them job cards. Let them get to know what they are doing for the day. Set up work programs. Discuss with them. Carry out meetings before each project. Work out time frames. Work out work programs. What are the achievables and deliverables expected. At the end of the day, revise what has been done, what has not been done. Take it to the following day on the same rate and same payment of the day. When they finish, they start their new day. If they finish, they go to overtime if it's possible. All these things, there are ways in which we can try to make Nutec houses quite affordable. Be comprehensive on the contracts. Detail your contracts. We have faced these challenges where you enter into a contract, we are doing plumbing, the client tells you that he wants all his piping to be done on copper pipes. He doesn't want flex pipes, and he becomes adamant on that. Then you tell him that, but you only paid 25,000 for the plumbing. Where is this copper pipe going to come from? Because they are expensive. No. I need copper pipes here. I need this. Some they will even tell you that you need to cut and uproot the trees on their houses. We have met these challenges. You need to do paving in front of me. You need to in front of my house. You need to do all those fancy finishings, but we didn't agree. So we need to be comprehensive. and will be comprehensive in our contracts. Each and every item with its description, specifications, name of the product, name of the brand. If it's painting, we write Plascon. If it's Dulux paint, if it's any type of paint, we must write it, and also the quantities that we are going to use on that painting job, so that they know what is the painting that is going to come here. If the tiles, we're going to name them, and also the description of those tiles and everything. If it's a timber, we must also specifically name the timber. So all those things will help us not to have unnecessary conflicts with the clients, and make sure that we build these projects and succeed going forward. These foundations, they take a lot, the bulk of our project funding, because they are the most expensive. We need to be open with the clients also. If they wish to build their own foundations, we'd really appreciate. Then we can come after they finish the foundations. If they trust us to build the foundations, which we can build 100% without a problem, then we are also going to come out with the pricing of the foundation on its own, price of the structure, breaking down all the finishings so that everything makes sense. And once we have done that, I think we will be able to move forward and to build viable projects that are win-win situations. Currently, over the years, we have built a lot of projects, as you can see on our gallery and videos, but we have not made anything to ourselves. It has been a history of building amazing structures, but without anything to our name, leaving people with beautiful houses. But we're now realizing that it must be a business that is viable. We must create a situation whereby everyone wins. You get a house, we also move with something out of it. So thank you for watching this. It's ways to update you as the client